Hello, I'm Dr. Dave Bowden, and I teach courses here at TMCC in physical geology, earth hazards, geothermal energy, and introduction to field mapping. I'm currently standing in Dandini Gardens. So what makes these rocks so colorful? Rocks tell a story just like words in a book. But before you can understand the story in a book, you must learn how to read. And geology teaches us how to read the words, if you will, within the rocks in order so we can tell a geologic story on how the rocks formed and how the geologic conditions have changed over time. So what you notice here is that the rock is quite broken up, but it is cemented by this rusty brown material here. So how does that happen? How do we break rocks and cement them? So one of the things we can do is go to areas today where that process is happening. In fact, a very important tenet of geology is that the processes we see operating today, like rivers flowing to the ocean or waves breaking along the shore, also operated in the geologic past. Do you guys maybe have any idea where you might go today to see the product that we see here? Where is that process happening today? As a hint, consider what draws people to Yellowstone National Park. So the other thing is that those same processes led to the local deposition of gold, copper, and silver that resulted in this area being heavily prospected about 100 years ago. And that's why when you drive to TMCC, you will see mine dumps here and there. So if you would like to learn more about how to read the stories told by rocks, recognize that practicing good science need not always be done within the confines of a building, and better understand how the earth works and impacts our lives daily, then I hope to see you in one of our courses, geology courses offered here at TMCC. Again, I'm Dr. Bowden, and thank you for sharing your time with me.